and it does everything as good, if not better, than your higher end products. I mean, so and it does everything as good, if not better, than your higher end products. Now, tell me. Welcome back to Sake Unboxing, folks. And in this episode, we're going to be discussing this very, very affordable Chinese smartwatch. So stick around, you don't want to move the muscle. I strongly believe that this is long overdue, just simply due to the fact that everybody that wanted to hop on this smartwatch bandwagon probably already did it by now, right? But better late than never. It comes in this cute little white box. Kind of reminds me of an iPhone. And inside you get nothing but a magnetic type of charger. This connects to your power bank or any power source, and an instruction manual inside. He has this nice, expensive feel to it. And if I tell you could make phone calls on these bad boys, you wouldn't believe me, right? Like, check it out. See that hole over there? That's your microphone. And on the other side, can't tell if you can make it out. You got your speakers that allows the Bluetooth call to be possible. If you've been following this channel so far, you probably know me by now that I'm always in for the budget gears. A similarly spec'd smartwatch from, say, brands like Armfit, or is it Armfit?
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this.
Anybody knows how to pronounce that brand name, please leave a comment in the comment section. You know, Armfit, Polar, Garmin, and, you know, high-end smartwatches. That will probably set you back nothing less than $200, whereas this right here, $50 from AliExpress. It doesn't get any budget than that. And it does everything as good, if not better, than your higher end product. Now, somebody please explain to me the reason why I have to overpay for those overpriced products. Alrighty, so moving on to some of the functions of this smartphone. It has a heart rate monitor, it has blood oxygen monitor, blood pressure monitor, sleep quality monitor, and it has different kinds of sports modes, trackers. It tells calories burned, steps taken. It has a stopwatch, alarm. It has a 30-day battery. Wow, that's 30 days standby battery. My God, that's a lot. That's a whole lot. But I doubt it's gonna be. I mean, if you have all functions turned on, like Bluetooth, your heart rate monitor, I doubt you're gonna get 30 days standby battery. That's a little bit exaggerated right there. It has this sedentary alert. Yeah. Okay, that's I probably got that alert this morning, you know, something that reminds you that you've been sitting a little bit too long on your fat butt. I got that alert this morning. It has this weather display. It has a music controller. It means you can turn on your iPhone music right from your wrist. And it also has this remote camera controller. You don't want to be running back and forth to the camera. You can just press the snap button right from your wrist. It has a message reminder, meaning messages from WhatsApp, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, all social media. And then it has a call reminder. This for $50, ladies and gentlemen. I mean, yeah. After taking a watch out of the box before your first use, you're advised to charge it to the fullest. And the next step is to try to download this The Fit app. This app helps you connect the smartphone to your phone. So to do that, all you have to do is scroll to the top to settings. Then you see, oh, there you go. You see the app QR code. Click on that, and then something like this should pop up. And after that, you turn on your camera application on your phone, bring it near to it, and boom, you get redirected to the website where you can download the DaFit app. You get to the website, you download it to your phone, and you should be able to pair both devices effortlessly. Yeah, this is a good watch, ladies and gentlemen, and we'll see how it stands this test of time. But so far, I'm liking it. Of course, you're not expected to take this on the sauna or to take showers with it. You can probably wash your hands and stuff, but you shouldn't take it swimming and scuba diving and all that. For those who are into that kind of lifestyle, yeah, just look at it. You wouldn't be, if I told you I bought this for $200, you would believe me, right? Unfortunately, it only has a year warranty, but for those who might still be interested in picking one of these bad boys up, I'll leave a link in the description box. I make a little bit on every product sales just to help support this channel. And if you're wondering or doubting if the core quality of this smartwatch is actually up to par, check this out. So, you think Kanye actually has a chance of getting back with one of the Kardashians?
Yes, for sure.
You think so?
Yes.
Really?
Or what do you think?
He must be joking. See, the relationship between Pete Davidson and Kanye has already gone beyond repair. It's a done deal. So that about wraps up today's video. If you like such content, please hit that thumbs up button and share this video and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Peace.